Morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about chapter 2 nouns of class 6 English grammar. So first of all, you can see here the definition of noun. What is noun? A noun is the name of person, place, thing, animal and feeling. So this is the name. Noun is the name of any person, any place, anything, animals and any kind of feeling. So here different kinds of nouns are given here. So first is the proper noun, second is the common noun, third is the collective noun and fourth is abstract noun. And here the definition of different kinds of noun is given here. First is the proper noun. Then what is proper noun? A proper noun is the special name. A proper noun is the special name of a particular person or place. Means proper noun is the name of any particular person or place. So here example is given: person Rama. Rama is the particular name of any person. Sita, this is the particular name of any person. Abdul, this is the particular name of any person. And first proper noun is always the first letter of the proper noun is always capital. Second is the place proper noun of means particular name of any place. So here Mumbai is the proper noun. This is the particular noun name of any place. Kolkata is the particular name of place. London is the particular name of place. And all these big first letter begins with capital. Rama, R is the capital, S is the capital, A is the capital, Mumbai is capital, M is capital, K is capital, L is capital. So the first letter of proper noun means the word of any proper noun begins with capital letter. Second is common noun. What is common noun? A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. So this is the common name. This is the common name. Means common noun is the common name. It is given in common to every person or thing. Here of the same class or kind. So example is given here man. And man is the common noun. Woman is common noun. Boy is common noun. Girl is common noun. Cow is common noun. Horse is common noun. Country is common noun. Book is common noun. So this is the common name of this is the common name. Book is the common name. And when we go deeply, so different kinds of book, different kinds of subject, different subjects of books are here. So first mathematics, English. So these are, if we say the English, that is the English, mathematics, science. So these are the proper noun. When we keep anything in same class or kind, that is the common noun. Here you can see the students, you can see here third kinds of noun, collective noun, and fourth kinds of noun is abstract noun. So what is collective noun? This is the collection of noun, and that collective noun is the name of number of people or thing considered as one. So collective noun is the group of anything, any noun, and it is the collection of the people or the collection of things considered as one. Suppose if there is the collection of anything and we consider that as single, so that will be the collective noun. Here the example herd of animal means group of animal. Suppose many animals are here. So all all together as a single, as one group, we say that is a collective noun or herd. Here the flock, this is the group of birds. Flock means group of birds. So that all together, many birds all together, and that is the collective noun. Here crowd, crowd means group of people, that is crowd, and as single we say crowd, that is a collective noun. Team means group of players, so that is team. All together we say that is the team, that is collective noun. Army, that is the group of soldiers. So army all together means group, many soldiers all together, that is the army. So this is the collective noun, and next is the abstract noun. So abstract noun, you can see here the definition of abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of something that we can only think of. So abstract noun we cannot see, we cannot touch it. To the abstract noun, only we can feel it. We can only think about it, and we can only feel it about it. So the example you can see here, sweetness. So sweetness we can feel, we can think about it, but we cannot touch it. Weakness we can think about it, we can feel about it, but we cannot touch it. Honesty we can think about it, we can feel about it, but we cannot touch it, we cannot see it. Death we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, we can feel or think about it. Misery, that is same, we cannot see or touch it, we can think about it or feel. Greed, etc. These are the abstract noun. Now we will see the examples of this chapter, exercises of this chapter. Dear students, you can see here your exercise number 1. In this exercise you have to identify in these sentences which word is proper noun and which word is common noun. So you can see here sentence wise. In the first sentence, Abdul and Latif are brothers. So here Abdul is the name which begins with capital letter, and that is the proper noun. Here Latif, that is also begin with the capital letter, it is a proper noun. And brother, that is the common noun. Second, Mr. Lal, this is the name of person, so that is the proper noun. Singapore is the name of place, that is proper noun. And Friday, that is the name of day, so that is also proper noun. Delhi is the name of place, that is the proper noun. Capital, that is common noun. And India, that is the name of country, it is proper noun. The Gita, this is the name of holy book, that is the proper noun. The Quran, this is the name of holy book, that is also proper noun. And books, common noun. Mother Teresa Girls High School, this is the name of school, so that's why it is a proper noun. And here students, this is the common noun. In the last sentence, Nelson is famous for his victory at Trafalgar. So that is, in this sentence, Nelson is the proper noun, and this is the name of person, and Trafalgar is the name of place, that is proper noun.